Do you know how coconut oil is actually made in factories? Let's go inside and see the real process. First, fresh coconuts enter the factory. They're washed with clean water to remove dust and dirt. If this step is skipped, the oil quality can drop. After washing, workers check each coconut and remove damaged ones. Only good coconuts move forward. Now the hard shells are broken. The white coconut inside is taken out and cut into small pieces. It may look simple, but this step needs experience. Next, these pieces go into drying machines. Here, moisture is removed slowly. Too much moisture means bad oil later. After drying, the coconut pieces go into pressing machines. This is where real work starts. The machines press the coconut and oil starts coming out. You can actually see how thick and clean it looks. The extracted oil is collected in large steel containers. Then it goes through filters to remove small particles. Without filtering, the oil would look cloudy. After that, the oil is heated and then cooled again. This helps increase shelf life.
To preserve freshness, the oil is sterilized under controlled heat.
Quality staff now check the oil.
Smell is fresh and clean, exactly as specified. Good, let's log it and move to the next batch.
They look at color, smell, and texture. If something feels wrong, that batch is rejected. Now the oil moves to the bottling section. Machines fill bottles very fast, but still very carefully. Each bottle is sealed tightly. One loose cap can ruin everything. Then labels are added. This is what you see in shops.
Every bottle is inspected for perfection.
After labeling, bottles are packed into strong boxes. These boxes are loaded onto trucks and sent to different cities. Within days, they reach nearby stores. In shops, bottles are placed neatly on shelves. People choose them for cooking and home use. Many also use coconut oil for hair and skin. That's why this product is so popular. So next time you open a bottle, just remember, it passed through many steps before reaching you. From cleaning to packing, everything is done carefully. This is the real factory process of coconut oil. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
This oil is so versatile, perfect for cooking and hair.
Yeah, Mom, my hair feels so smooth.
And it makes everything taste amazing.